We have something super exciting in our Effortless shop. We have new hair ones. These are gorgeous. You can do a ton of styles with them. They are trending on social media because they're so easy to use. You can do a ton of different styles with them. So Grace and I are gonna show you guys a couple of different styles that you can do with them. I'm gonna be using this one. So I'm gonna put those down and I'll tell you how to use it. I'm gonna gather my hair at the nape of my neck and then I'm going to twist it counterclockwise. And then I'm gonna start twisting it around itself counterclockwise to create a little bun. I will then take my hair wand, I will stick it directly towards my head and then pull it towards the left and stick it through. This will keep it really secure to make sure it's all the way through my bun. Now I'm just going to pull a little bit around the crown of my head and pull some face framing out, and that is all.
First off, I'm gonna separate the top section of my hair into two sections. So you can see I'm kind of separating those and then I'm twisting them around each other and tucking one of the sections through the top. So looping it almost like you would loop your shoelaces. Next, I'm going to loop it again as if I'm tying it in a knot. I'll kind of fluff this out, make sure it looks and feels good. And then I'm grabbing my U-shaped pin and securing the knot with it. You can kind of finesse the pin a little bit so that the cute part is showing. This simple style is so fun and easy and is a great way to enhance any outfit.